In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the numbering button in Microsoft Word. If you have a list that you would like numbered, you select your list and then you select the numbering button. You'll notice that as soon as you click the numbering button, your list is indented. I want to bring your attention up here to your indentation buttons. If you wanted to, you could move it back over to the left side, or you can keep it where it is. So this is the decrease indent, this is increase indent. Now I want to bring your attention to the ruler. You'll notice that the numbers are indented under this first line indent and the text is indented under this left indentation. Sometimes you're going to need more space between your numbers and your text. If that's the case, you would make sure to select your area, and then you could come back up here and you can manipulate your indentions by clicking on this little triangle right here. You can also click on this triangle and move this one as well. It's just a click and drag. Once you've applied a numbering scheme, you can add to the list by clicking at the end of the last item. You would press enter, and as you can see, the number will appear and you can begin typing. When you press enter to move down the page and you do not want an additional number, you can simply come back up to the numbering button and click one time to turn off the numbering scheme. Alternatively, you can press the backspace key and backspace again, and you're back to the left side margin.